Hello, dear students. Welcome back. Let's begin with the new question. The question says calculate the price index number for the following data using the simple aggregate method and take 1995 as the base year. We are given with 5 commodities P, Q, R, S, T. Their price in the year 1995 is 15, 20, 24, 22, 28 and corresponding prices in the year 2000 is 27, 38, 32, 40, 45. And what we need to calculate is price index number using simple aggregate method. Now let's quickly begin with the solution. Dear students, the simple aggregate method, the name itself is suggesting it will be very simple, right? हमें करना क्या है, देखिए ये जो भी हमको डेटा दिया है सबसे पहले हमको एज इट इज कॉपी कर लेते हैं, राइट? तो सबसे पहले ये जो कोमोडिटीज है ये वाला कॉलम हम ले लेंगे एज इट इज. देन प्राइस इन 1995 में इफ यू ऑब्जर्व यहाँ पे क्लियरली बोला है कि यू हैव टू टेक 1995 एज द बेस ईयर. तो इट मींस दिस इज योर बेस ईयर एंड दिस विल बी योर करंट ईयर. तो प्राइस इन 1995 विल बी योर बेस ईयर प्राइस, दैट विल बी P0, and price of the year 2000 will be your current year price, that will be P1. And let's note down the information given in the question as it is, right? PQRST and their corresponding base year prices and current year prices. Now in the next step we have to get total of all these values, right? तो सबसे पहले अगर हम ये base year के जो भी prices हैं इन सबको add करें तो we get sum of P0 as 109. And similarly, if we add all the current year prices, we get sum of P1 as 182. And what we need to calculate is price index number. I hope all of you remember the price index formula using simple aggregate method. What is the formula? Yes, it is given by P01 equals to sum of P1 divided by sum of P0 multiplied by 100. Sum of current year prices divided by sum of base year prices multiplied by 100. Now simply plug in the values and get the answer. So in the next step, sum of P1 can be substituted as 182 and sum of P0 can be substituted as 109. So P01 will be 182 upon 109 multiplied by 100, which finally gives us P01 or price index number as 166.97. So this is your answer. And by the way, what does this value represent? It simply indicates that if something can be bought for rupees 100 in the year 1995, then उसी चीज को खरीदने के लिए हमें 2000 में कितने पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे? 166.97. तो बेसिकली हमें बता रहा है कि जो 1995 से 2000 के बीच में इन्फ्लेशन है वो 100 से इंक्रीज होके हो गई है 166.97. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.